that's why it was hard for me. Opening up gave me 3 whole months. Turns out leading me.
Literally, I was stuck in one question of physics and I have to do like the solutions for 2 more tests which I want to finish like by today. And obviously I cannot take the whole day to solve, test questions because I need to revise other chapters. Most part is being taken by physics and chemistry, which is like kind of demotivating me because it's already 10 and I had started doing all of this at 8. So it's like 2 hours I've been stuck with the test solutions. Like by now I would have finished a lot of revision. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a break from this and I want to make the best of today. So I need to do bio, which includes both botany and zoology, inorganic and organic chemistry, and we also have 2 chapters of physics that need to be done.
Was a surprise to you. Didn't feel what I felt, it's cool. Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why?
So over here I was actually making cheat sheets for the chapter locomotion and movement as I had just finished studying it, and then I went for body fluids and circulation PYQ solving. I actually prefer doing questions late at night because I think at that time you're just so exhausted to put in any information in your brain, so it's better to just solve questions at that time and use your time productively.
Fall in love with myself.
4 years down, I think I've seen enough. You know, the girls that I was posting with, could've sworn I found love. Couldn't see it then, you're all I think of now. Hearing your voice on loop, the things you do, yeah, it drives me wild.
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely
So I have pretty much done a lot of questions from inorganic chemistry, which is actually coordination compounds. I do have some more questions and I'll be done with all the PYQs and I can go for extra questions, and then I will again study all the test questions and like solve them. Okay, this is like so bad, but I had pancakes and I had made like mini pancakes and it was supposed to be recorded, but I was in a hurry, so I ate all of them and then I realized that I forgot to record. So anyways, it's actually pretty late. It's gonna be 11. Obviously I woke up like at 10, which is like pretty late, but I slept late as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like the test questions. I'm gonna finish the first part of it, the first test, and then the other test is also gonna be done today as well.
you away, so why not try and escape? I get it, we were fit. You made it clear you like the opposite.
So I am done with my first test solutions. Now the second test is left for me and I'm not gonna do that now. Obviously I'm gonna be taking a break. Like some part of my pizza is left, so I'm gonna make tea and I'm gonna have it and take a long break and then like start studying again. Probably I'll do like a theory chapter.
And now that you want me, I'm not gonna say I'm sorry. I made my peace and it hurt like hell, but I had to fall out of love with you to fall in love with myself. You made your bed, you're gonna lie in it, and for what it's worth, I hope that you find everything you missed. Cause while you held your pieces, I was piecing my life into shape. Being rejected was all the incentive to show you your biggest mistake. Up until yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away, but now I'm handling the throttle. I safely stored you away.
So yesterday I couldn't show you much, but I was doing principles of inheritance and I was actually doing the disorders because I wanted to be sure of all of them as it's kind of confusing for me. But now I've finished studying that and I'm just gonna like revise the chapter now and do like some of its questions and stuff.
Time moves slow when you're building trust. Maybe Maybe that's why it was hard for me. Opening up gave me 3 whole months. Turns out leading me on was a surprise to you. Didn't feel what I felt, it's cool.
Right now, I will be doing body fluids and circulation, and I want to finish this chapter and start with questions and stuff. Even though I did study this in the morning, and you're definitely gonna see what this scribbling is, it was because I woke up in the morning and studied, and I felt like really sleepy. So this is why there's like a change in my handwriting. I don't know what the hell was I doing, but I felt sleepy, which is why my handwriting looks weird.
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why now try and escape? I get it, we weren't fit. You made it clear you like the
Right now, like, there's a terrible dust storm. Like, I can feel the dustiness over here. Like, you can actually feel it because the dust particles do come in the house, and it's like extremely dusty. It's getting into my nose, and it's making the whole situation really warm and hot in my room.
4 years down, I think I've seen enough. You know the girls that I was posting with, could've sworn I found love. Couldn't see it then, you're all I think of now. Hearing your voice on loop, the things you do, yeah, it drives me wild.
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college.